G'day and welcome to another HSC Terms video. Today we're going to be looking at the term Analyse. It means to identify components and the relationship between them and draw out and relate implications. Let's look at that in a little more detail using our classroom as an example. In a simple analysis, we'd identify the teacher, the students, and the stuff we learn about. The relationship between them is also simple. I teach you the stuff and you learn it. And once you've learned it all, we test you, and if you pass, you get an education. Now let's try a more complex analysis. A more in-depth analysis will start to look at some of the underlying assumptions about each of the components identified. Is the teacher experienced or inexperienced? Are they passionate or do they not care? For that matter, how much do the students care? How much do they know already? Are there 25 of them or 6? On top of that, there's the stuff they're learning about. Is it just content or skills as well? Does the classroom have a chalkboard and books or the latest technology? An in-depth analysis will then look at how each of these things relates to the other, before drawing out some conclusions and implications that can be made, like a smaller size class with an experienced teacher and good technology might have more opportunities for self-expression. Or a larger size class with a teacher that concentrates on content might be okay for students who are passionate but others aren't as engaged. Or a classroom with relationships built on trust might have better and more open discussions than another one. All of these conclusions were made by identifying the components of the class and the relationship between them, then drawing out and relating the implications. You're being expected to do the same thing when a HSC question asks you to analyse.